Hello there, it's me, Gerald Cross. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to dye and add extensions up into your hair that get away. Let's get started! First, you're gonna start up with your nasty ass dry hair. Don't forget to wear your gloves. First, we're going to do the allergic test on our skin. If you're not allergic and you're clean, then you're ready to go. Second, we're going to bleach out our hair. Spread that shit and make sure you do it all over your hair so that it will turns out evenly. After bleaching for a amount of time, wash your hair. Don't wash it with shampoo yet because we're going to have a hard time cleaning our head when we're about to dye our hair again. And don't let it drip on your eyes because that shit hurts and you're gonna call the popo and that shit is not cute. Get your towel so you'll stop dripping on the floor. Ooh, I look Justin Bieber. Repeat the second step and make sure you do it evenly all over your hair. But that's not how you do it. And I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm spreading and shit. What the fuck? No, that's not how you do it. This is what it looks like after you shampoo it. And this is what it looks like after you dry it, add extensions, and flat iron it. We done. Good luck, bitches. You gon' need it. Hello there, Jared here. So I hope you all like my hair dye tutorial video for today on how to dye your hair fabulously. And it turns out okay. Although I'm pretty sure I did it 99.9% wrong. So what do you all think about my hair dye tutorial video? Comment down below. Should I make more? Should I not? Also, thanks for watching and like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Stay pretty, bitch. Bye! Subscribe, bitch!